Today I'm going to teach you how to color code OneNote notebooks in sections. This is a fantastic way to visually organize your notes, making it easier to quickly identify different projects, subjects, or categories at a glance. Let's dive right in and get your notebooks looking organized and vibrant. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once the app is open, you'll see your workspace where all your notebooks and sections are displayed. This is your main hub for managing all your notes, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to OneNote. Once your notebook has been loaded, locate the notebook you wish to color code along with its sections. This is important because color coding works at both the notebook and section level, giving you flexibility in how you organize your content. Once you've found the notebook you want to customize, right-click on it to view the context menu. A small context window will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Properties. This will open up the configuration settings specifically for that notebook. A Notebook Properties window will appear on your screen. This is where you can make various adjustments to your notebook settings. Here you can see the notebook color field, which is what we're interested in. Simply click on the drop-down menu next to the color field to reveal a palette of available colors. Browse through the options and select the color that best represents the content or purpose of this notebook. Once you've made your selection, click on OK to save your changes. You'll notice the notebook now displays in your chosen color, making it instantly recognizable. Now to adjust section color, the process is equally straightforward. Simply right-click on the sections you wish to change the color. You'll see a context menu appear with various options for managing that section. Hover your cursor over the section color option and you'll see the available colors you can use to color code your section with your notebook. This is where you can really get creative with your organization system. Perhaps you want all related sections to share similar colors, or maybe you prefer a rainbow approach where each section stands out distinctly. Simply select the color you wish to use based on your preference on color coding your notebook and sections. The section will immediately update to reflect your chosen color. You can repeat this process for as many sections as you need, creating a cohesive and visually appealing organizational system that works for you. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to color code your OneNote notebooks and sections, making your digital workspace more organized and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.